Hey everybody, it's Garrett here with Young Blood Ag. Just wanted to go through and give you the weekly update that I'm trying to be better at doing. Right now we've got in the shop 16 row 1770 NT box planter. Currently it has SureForce and SureDrives on it. And this customer is actually getting switched over and we're going to go and put SureSpeeds on it. So we got most of the boxes taken off that have the SureDrives on it. All the boxes will not get reused, and we will be putting Ag Leader's new boxes on it. And then these modules here that are mounted, these are the Gen 1 row control modules from Ag Leader. They are getting stripped off because SureSpeed works with the RCM2, the Gen 2s, and all of this wiring and everything on the toolbar will get stripped off and upgraded to the RCM2 architecture. So with that, the generator that is originally on here is only a 12 volt system, so that will get pulled off and we'll be upgrading to a 24 volt generator because that's what SureSpeed runs off of. And that's about it on this one. The customer's already got everything stripped down, so that way we can go ahead and put our inner scrapers on and then get our seed tubes dropped back, our delivery tubes dropped back in, and then we'll put the new boxes and meters set up on there, and hopefully we'll have this out within about a day or so and it'll be ready to go for this customer. So the Gen 1 architecture and all the SureDrives that are on these boxes are actually already sold. We took them in on trade, and they're going to be going on, I believe, a 16 row case planter. So we're back here on day 2 of the 1770. We've got it all unfolded, or at least part of the way unfolded anyway. And we got all the modules stripped off of it, and we've got our new RCM2s mounted back on it. So we mounted them right there on the parallel arm on the side. And then I've went ahead and got all of our delivery tubes dropped in. So you can kind of see how they sit down in there. With the SureSpeeds, we have to put a new seed tube guard on them. So the standard one will not work. They've got to be shaped to fit around the bottom edge of that tube. So you can kind of see that. It's kind of nice not having the disc openers there, so you can actually see that. And then we're working on finishing up the cables here. We've got of course our row can cable that comes down and connects to the motor, and then the little pigtail here will go up into the actual meter, kind of like that one there. And then we've got our hydraulic downforce gauge wheel load sensor, so that comes up along there. And then on this one, since he's got smart boxes on it, I ended up making an adapter because these RCM2s have a clutch output cable, or a clutch output set of pins, so positive ground, and then make a cable here, and it goes back and plugs into the smart boxes there, so that way when the rows shut off, it kills the smart box, so that way it does not put out any granules or anything like that. So we've got all of our wiring along the backbone there all tied up, and then Pete and I got the generator mounted last night, so same spot as what the old one was, but of course this one's 24 volt instead of 12 volt, so a little bit different configuration. I know he was fighting with the hydraulics a little bit because of course when we put it on originally, we made the hoses so they were perfect to line up with the other one, because he wasn't planning on putting SureSpeed on, but things changed. So we kind of made it work and adapted our hoses to fit it. So everything's good there now. But yeah, so that's what's going on this 1770 here. Should have it wrapped up in the next probably 2-3 hours or so. So I got to finish tying up all the cables on the rows and get the boxes put on, and it will be ready to go. Coming over here to our 3205 12 row project, we're basically at a standstill with that. Everything is ready to go, other than we are waiting on the Elliott Manufacturing cable drives that are supposed to be shipped out at Ag Express. We've called a couple different times, and I guess they are back ordered till I believe the middle of February. So as of right now, it just gets to sit back here in the corner because we can't really do anything more until we got that done. So we've got all of our cabling and stuff routed on there, but it's all folded up. It's kind of hard to show you on that. So once we get those drives, I will actually be able to take a little bit better video of that, and we'll kind of go from there. Then we come over here to this beast. This is the 24-row 30-inch planter that Pete and I built this spring. It went out to an awesome customer of ours, and we had some problems with it right off the get-go, basically first day in the field. So we've been kind of fighting with that a little bit all spring, and then we're finally actually got a resolution as to what's going to happen, and Harvest has actually opted to just give us a new bar. So we've got to end up stripping all of our Ag Leader stuff off and all the liquid off, and it will actually all be getting put on a new bar, because like I said, this bar had some problems. I'm not going to get into it because it's kind of a long story and that sort of thing, but Harvest is doing right by the customer and by us, so they're going to just give us a new bar, and we're going to go from there. So little bit of a work ahead of us, so hopefully we can get this 1770 out of here today and get this machine stripped down hopefully by the weekend. Next week is the Iowa Ag Expo down in Des Moines, Iowa here. It's Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, first week of February, and we will have a booth set up down there, booth 834. We're right between Ag Leader and Precision Planting, so you cannot miss us if you go and look at any of the precision products. So stop in, say hi. If you're in there, let us know you see our videos and watch them and that kind of thing. But yeah, we got to have this planter stripped down hopefully by the end of the weekend, so that way it can go back to Harvest, and hopefully our new bar will be showing up here within the next few weeks. And yeah, so we'll be down there for that, down there at the show. Like I say, if you're around, stop in, say hi. Love to catch up with everybody and meet some new people too. So let us know if you have any questions or comments or anything like that. So we'll catch you later.